Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'd like to talk about Neville Goddard and the manifestation of your desires. If you've tried all the methods suggested by Neville Goddard but still haven't manifested your desire, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to help you understand what's standing between you and your desires, so that you can easily manifest whatever it is that you want. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can watch more videos about the law of assumption on our YouTube channel. In his book, Feeling is the Secret, Neville Goddard said that consciousness is the only reality. This means that we are responsible for becoming conscious of something in order to manifest our desires. If we don't try to be conscious of something or limit our own consciousness, we will not manifest what we want. So, it's important to think about the desired thoughts or be conscious of specific things in order to manifest our desires. All the circumstances in our lives and any events that take place in our lives happen to us because of our consciousness. If something happens to us, we are not conscious of it. It didn't happen because it would have happened to us if we were conscious of it. For example, we aren't injured if we aren't conscious of the fact that we are injured. We aren't ill if we aren't conscious of the fact that we are ill. We aren't poor if we aren't conscious of our poverty. So, our consciousness determines our reality, and our belief system affects our life in all areas. Let's say that someone is poor but believes that they are wealthy. They will act and behave like a rich person because, according to their mindset, they are a rich person. They are conscious of the fact that they are a rich person, even if they are not, and their consciousness is determining their actions, decisions, lifestyle, and behavior. So, it's important to believe and assume that we have manifested our reality so that we can live our desires. What happens most is what we believe or are conscious of. If we are a rich person but aren't conscious of our wealth and believe that we are poor, we will not act, think, or make decisions like a rich person. Our ignorance is making us poor, even if we are rich, because our consciousness is making us poor. The secret to manifesting wealth is to be conscious of the fact that we have all the money that we desire, while ignoring the fact that we have no money in the moment. We need to understand the concept of the conscious mind and the subconscious mind and their function. Neville Goddard says that the conscious generates ideas and impresses these ideas on the subconscious. The subconscious receives ideas and gives form and expression to them. Understanding the fundamentals is necessary if we want to grow in our belief in the law of attraction and fully comprehend how we manifest. It's essential to know how the conscious and subconscious minds function in our lives. The conscious mind is limited, subjective, and choosy, while the subconscious mind is boundless, impartial, and indiscriminate. It possesses all knowledge and operates automatically based on the information it holds. By utilizing both conscious and subconscious thoughts effectively, we have the capability to create anything we want. Nevertheless, when we don't utilize them correctly, things become challenging. Correctly refers to the concept that our lives are influenced by the beliefs we hold in our subconscious mind. These beliefs are formed over time through repeated thoughts and ideas that eventually become imprinted and automatic. Our subconscious beliefs shape the way we view the world and therefore the experiences we have. This means that the patterns we observe in our lives are a result of these deeply ingrained beliefs. It's important to understand that our lives are not determined by external factors, but by our own perspective and imagination. Our beliefs, whether they are conscious or subconscious, determine how we see the world and how we respond to it. This is why two people can have very different experiences of the same event. It's not the event that is changing, but rather the perception and interpretation of it. So, when it comes to manifestation, it's important to understand the role that our thoughts and beliefs play. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our perception of reality, which then influences our actions and behaviors. And as Neville Goddard says, consciousness is the only reality. So, if we're not conscious of what we want to manifest, it's unlikely that we'll be able to bring it into our lives. But how exactly do we become conscious of what we want to manifest? To do this, we need to understand the workings of the conscious and subconscious mind. Our conscious mind is the part of us that is aware of our surroundings and generates ideas and thoughts. The subconscious mind, on the other hand, is all-knowing and operates automatically, receiving ideas and giving form and expression to them. It's important to engage both the conscious and unconscious mind when it comes to manifestation, but to do this effectively, we need to be aware of what kind of information and beliefs are imprinted on our subconscious. If we have negative or limiting beliefs that are affecting our thoughts and behaviors, it's unlikely that we'll be able to manifest our desires. So, to become conscious of what we want to manifest, we need to start by changing our thoughts and beliefs. This can be done by consistently focusing on positive, empowering thoughts and beliefs, and repeating them to ourselves until they become imprinted on our subconscious. Once this happens, our perspective will start to shift, and we'll start to view the world and our lives through a new lens. This is a form of rewiring our subconscious mind with the use of positive statements and affirmations. The new affirmations will take the place of the negative thoughts, and through repetition will become part of our new reality. But changing our thoughts and beliefs can be easier said than done. Often, we have limiting beliefs that have been with us for a long time, and it can be difficult to let go of them. To help with this process, it's important to practice mindfulness and become aware of our thoughts and beliefs. When we're able to identify our limiting beliefs, we can start to challenge them and replace them with positive, empowering beliefs and affirmations. We also need to take action towards our desires. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, but it's our actions that bring our desires to life. If we're not taking action, then our desires will remain just that, desires. So, it's important to align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. This is the key to manifestation. In conclusion, if you've tried everything that Neville Goddard suggests, but your desires haven't manifested yet, it's important to take a step back and examine your thoughts and beliefs. Ask yourself if there's anything that you're holding on to that might be preventing you from manifesting your desires. Remember, consciousness is the only reality, and it's up to us to become conscious of what we want to bring into our lives. So, start by changing your thoughts and beliefs, and watch as your reality starts to shift in the direction of your desires. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos like this. Until next time, stay positive, stay motivated, and keep manifesting your desires.